What's up guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to download videos from Twitter. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it. Let's get started. Open the Twitter app. Search for a video.
Let's kill this love. Yeah. Let's kill.
I want to download this video. For doing this, let's tap on the share button and copy the link of the video. Now, to download this video, we will need an app. It's called Vidmate. Vidmate is a third-party software by which you can download any videos from any social media. Tap on the search bar and paste the URL which we have copied. Then press go. It may take a little bit time. Here is the video. Tap on the download button. And now the video is showing us its available downloaded size. I will download it with maximum size. Tap on download. Here you can see our video is downloading. Download complete. Let's play it. Let's play the video. You can see this is the video which I have copied the link from Twitter. By this way, you can download any video from Twitter. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. This video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get our upcoming videos. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.